That's the tracking. Kind of seems like one of those Xbox Connect things from back in the day. I can create a model from that. Hey guys, this is an exciting one today. I'm gonna restart this whole thing because this was just garbage. Hey guys, this is an exciting one. Check out what we have in front. Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, I can't win. Hey guys, welcome back. I have something pretty exciting for us today. What you see laid out on the hood here is an Einstar Shining3D scanner. I think I said that correctly. It's a middle of the road scanner. I borrowed it from work. I'm going to do a little test, see how it performs. I'm going to compare it to an app that does 3D scanning. We're going to see if we can scan the dash and underneath the vents that we have in here, and I'll bring you in, create a mount and bezel for our garment catalyst, which is currently on the windshield, as well as a new integrated switch panel so that we don't just have that panel hanging around on the transmission tunnel. So let me show you what we have on the hood here, because there's a few wires and different stuff. I'll take this out of the bag first so you can see, because I'm only going to have one hand once I grab the camera. Carefully. Here we go. Okay. So this is our case here. Comes with our adapter cables. Behind this is just more storage for the power cable and the calibration panel, which is just some dots that are positioned just so. And it's a specific color white. It comes with this power cable and the adapter. We're going to come over here. This is the software that you can download, free to download. And it comes with this USB cable, all coiled up here, that also has injected power. So we will be plugging this end into our 3D scanner, which is this guy right here. Oh, I don't have my light on. There we go, that's better. Into this 3D scanner. Kind of seems like one of those Xbox Connect things from back in the day. So we're going to give this a shot. Let me position the camera over here. You can see the software as we get going. I don't know what we are going to need for light in here. I'm thinking maybe we turn the lights off because there's an integrated light. And this has specific angles and stuff. Wagon, line this up. What's the deal? Oh, I have to add a new project. Hello. I'm just gonna put this down for now. Okay. I ended up going out to dinner. I don't remember where we are. I think... Oh, new project. That's why. I'm going to reposition the camera, I believe, to get inside the cabin. And then we will do maybe a calibration. Maybe we can do a calibration here. So it needs to be... Okay. Oh, that was tiring. This is going to be a tiring experience, isn't it? So now we should move to inside the car. How should I do this? All right, it's a little dark at the moment, but I think it should probably be dark. All right, I might actually need light. What if I do this? What if I even more specifically did this? Oh, I'm scanning. Oh no. How do I clear it? Clear row. Okay. Alright, let's take a pause, Matt. We also have these little reflective stickers. Place these strategically, I guess. I've never done this before, so I hope I'm doing this right. I probably should have looked at a YouTube video. That's okay. We're making a YouTube video. We'll show people exactly what not to do. Okay. Well, let's give that a shot, I guess. Okay. Oh, I lost the tracking. I think it's better without the light. All right. What does that look like? Oh my lord. Okay, so I can see that these areas were not very well identified. Do we think we can add to it? I'd rather not have to start over. Come in at it from this angle. How's that look? Did that get a little bit better? All right. How do we look now? Way better. I think I can develop something useful out of that. Maybe we can try to generate a little bit of depth for it quick too. Or not quick, 'cause nothing is freaking quick with this, but oh, okay. I think that also helped quite a bit. Oh yeah, I need to scan a little bit more from the other direction. And I think we'll call it for the night. My arms are getting tired. Oh yeah, baby, okay. I think that's gonna look pretty good. Oh yeah, I can create a model from that. We'll have to go clean that up later, but let's see if we can save this now. How do we save this thing? Well, data quality everywhere isn't great, but I mean, alright. Optimize and generate point clouds. This might take a bit. Alright. Stretch the old back out here. Jeez. Well, that was pretty cool. Let's see how that turns out. This is now part of the healing bench, and we're going to heal some parts. Gear on deck. Fantastic. Well, ugh. Okay, that's okay. I need to cut some of this off. Rear hard line's complete.